A mother is not a person to lean on but a person to make leaning unnecessary. The more a daughter knows the details of her mother's life, the stronger the daughter. My mom taught me a woman's mind should be the most beautiful part of her. The older I get, the more I see the power of that young woman, my mother. My mother wanted me to be her wings, to fly as she never quite had the courage to do. I love her for that. I love the fact that she wanted to give birth to her own wings. You are my angel. You remind me of the goodness in this world and inspire me to be the greatest version of myself.